Bush fans.
Yeah, guys, we are the Bush fans. You get me? We're not really Chaz, but
we're gonna crimp for you
in chav.
In chav.
This one is this is the twisty song.
I think we should do it first normal so they get the picture.
Yeah, no, do it normal.
Okay.
This is a normal twisty.
This is just a casual crimp called twisty.
Okay.
It's pretty cool. Okay. So it's that.
Ooh, I did a twisty. Ooh, a tiny twisty. Twist them up, twist them down, twist them all around like the cobra. Dance it to the music of the pipe of life. Hi-yi-yi-yo. Calama, cinema in the night, such a good thing. Don't forget to bring popcorn, Tony and his paper castle. Okay. That was good.
That was a crimp.
That was good.
That's a crimp.
That was good.
Okay, I think we should give him another one. I think we should just do a soup.
Soup. Do you remember that soup we had?
We had that pretty tasty soup.
Super tasty soup. Super spicy carrot and coriander, chili chowder, crouton. Crunchy friends in liquid broth. I am gazpacho. Oh, I am a summer soup. Miso. Fighting in the dojo. Miso. Oh, the friends in the land of soup.
That was good.
That was
mighty
should we
crimp.
do-
Okay, we should do
Now
twisty.
Twisty in the
Twisty.
chav.
This is a chav twisty. Yeah?
Twisty
So
in
be
the
careful you
chav.
don't get murked.
Okay.
Who's like,
Who's gonna murder you?
Yeah. I did a twisty. Yeah.
A tiny twisty.
Twist them up, I twist them down, I twist them all around like the cobra. Dance to the music of the pipe of life. Aye-yi-yi-yo. Calama, cinema in the night, such a good thing. Don't forget to bring popcorn, Tony and his paper castle. Min. Yeah.
That was well good.
That was like, should we do it in Australian? Oh, darling, should we do the twisty in Australian?
No, let's do some pop.
Well, do posh.
No.
Okay, we haven't actually practiced.
We haven't done this one before.
No,
It's off the cuff.
Posh in the twisty. Okay, darling.
Ooh.
I did a twisty. Ooh. A tiny twisty. Twist them up, twist them down, twist them all around like the cobra. Dancing to the music of the pipe of life. Hi-yi-yi-yo. Calama, cinema in the night, such a good thing. Don't forget to bring popcorn, Tony and his paper castle.
I live in a castle.
I live in a castle too. I have red carpet and big chandeliers.
Do you like scones?
I do like scones on my
Good.
penis. I'm joking. No, I don't really. Okay, right, we'll do an Australian
I've seen
twisty.
a video of you and scones and your penis. It's wrong.
What about the peanut butter and the dog? Anyway. Okay, right, we're gonna do a twisty, but in Australian, mate.
Alright.
Let's do it. Okay, let's just get into our Australian saying.
accent like
Good
that.
eye, mate.
Good eye, how you doing?
Good eye, mate. I'm gonna
Right,
strike you right in the face. Right, here we go.
Ooh,
I did a twisty. A tiny twisty. Twist them up, twist them down, twist them all around like the cobra. Dancing to the music of the pipe of life. Oi. Calama, cinema in the night, such a good thing. Don't forget to bring popcorn, Tiny and his paper castle.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Should we finish on the chav
No,
twisty
I
again?
reckon
You've done
finish
the
it
video.
Scottish.
I think
Should we do this?
Scottish twisty. Finish on
Scottish
twisty.
Okay, hang on. We'll do
You
the
arrogant little cunt.
Right.
What you done?
Right, guys.
What do you think you've done?
You better not be talking to me like that.
You better calm your emotions, both of yous. Alright, okay.
Arrogant.
It's angry, so we gotta go. Okay, alright.
I done a twisty.
A tiny twisty. Twist them up, twist them down, twist them all around like a cobra. Dancing to the music of the pipe of life. Aye-yi-yi-yo. Calama, cinema in the night, such a good thing. Don't forget to bring popcorn, Tony and his paper castle. Hey, angry. Hey,
What you done?
Right, I'll kick your ass. Right, that's good. That's it.